Good morning, traders. Stephen Davis, Senior Market Strategist, RJO Futures. Friday, May 14th, here, talked about the grain markets. Happy Friday to all of us. Corn is down 3 here this morning. Soybeans are up 18. We had the WASDE report early on Wednesday, and yesterday corn was limit down, 40 cents lower. So, the fundamentals haven't changed, but certainly the charts, the corn charts here that I show you, a little bit top-heavy now, and we're backing and filling. Corn went down and filled that gap at 673. So that's what the corn market does, goes down and fills gaps and then can trade higher. So more announcements of new crop U.S. corn sales to China, and this is like a broken record here. And now look for China to come in and buy U.S. corn here. Our corn market is lower here at the end of the week than we were early in the week. So look for China to come in and buy U.S. corn, and we should be buying corn and soybean too at lower prices if you're looking for trade ideas, trade recommendations. Okay, so first chart of corn looks a little top heavy. We're backing and filling. There's a lot of air under this corn market. Remember, since March 1st last week, I told you that corn rallied 33%, so that's a big rally in corn. So we're backing and filling in pretty good support. We'll see where we close the week, and then certainly Sunday night we'll get a fresh look at weather and how the weather looks here going into the end of May, and temperatures seem to be rising, so it looks pretty darn good. Okay, the soybean chart now, backing and filling. Soybeans, July beans, they're above 16, the first time since 2012. So big move higher here in soybeans. And, early in the week, Tuesday, we had a turnaround Tuesday where corn and soybeans, the row crop, really, really rallied strong. And there was some bearish stuff out on Tuesday. We had above average U.S. planting pace, and the Chinese dali and agricultural markets were lower, and a prominent South American crop scout raised Brazilian soy and Argentina corn production, and yet we still rallied on Tuesday. So that was pretty impressive in my analysis. And then the wheat market here, backing and filling. Again, wheat doesn't have the air underneath it that the corn charts do. The Matif wheat, again, setting the pressure, setting the pace here, and Matif wheat, the French wheat, is under pressure here as we strike. So I think this May crop report now, it's going to be dismissed, and Sunday night we'll get a new read on weather here the end of the May, and that'll be a driving force. And last week the Wall Street Journal had an article, and the title of the article is "Everything Screams Inflation." So here we are. I talk about inflation and food inflation on a weekly basis, and I think the cycle of inflation is here, and that's good for commodities. So let's all have an excellent weekend.